Hello everyone. Now let's find the value of x. Okay, if radical 7 root 343 equals 49 raised to the power of x. Okay, so what I'll do in this case is because we are given radical 7 multiplied by root 343 equals to 49 raised to the power of x. I'll first write this in terms of base 7 and also write this in terms of base 7. So this will be radical 7 multiplied by root 7 raised to the power of 3 equals to 7 raised to the power of 2, which is 49, then raised to the x. All right. Then I'm going to write this as a what? As a simple surd. Okay, that's basic surd. As that is, we know that from the property a root b, we can write this to be equals to square root of the product of a squared and b. Okay, so I'm going to apply that in this case, so that this will be square root of, that is radical square root of 7 squared multiplied by 7 raised to the power of 3 equals to 2 times x. That will be 2x. Okay, so now this is when we can now apply the property a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n. This will be a raised to the m plus n. So this is one of the properties of exponent. So from here we can write this to be square root of root 7 raised to the power of 5 equals to 7 raised to the power of 2x. Now, in this case, so what I'll do from here is I'm going to change this square root to power 1 over 2, and I'll do the same thing with the other square root, so that this will be so I'm going to have 7 raised to the power of 5, then raised to the 1 half, open a square bracket, then raised to the power of 1 over 2, okay, equals to 7 raised to the power of 2x. So I'm going to multiply to remove the square bracket, okay, and also to remove the parentheses. I'm going to multiply the power. So this will be 7 raised to the power of 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, that's 1 over 4. Then multiply by 5. This will be 5 over 4, okay, equals to 7 raised to the power of 2x. So we have the same base on both sides. So this will reduce to 5 over 4 equals to 2x. 5 over 4 equals to 2x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2, so that 2x divided by 2 will be equals to 5 over 4 divided by 2. So the value of x is going to be 5 over 8. This is the value of x. Okay, now let's verify our answer. Okay, let's verify. Now, we know that, let's verify our answer. This is what we are given. We are given radical 7 multiplied by root 343, which is equals to 49 raised to the power of x. 49 raised to the power of x. And everything here would be, this is same thing as 7, okay, raised to the power of 5 over 4. Okay, that is the left hand side is equals to 7 raised to the power of 5 over 4, which is what we got here, 7 raised to the power of 5 over 4. Now let's check if the right hand side will give us 7 raised to the power of 5 over 4. So this is 49 raised to the power of x. 49 is 7 raised to the power of 2. Okay, then raised to the power of x. Now we know that the value of x is 5 over 8. That's the value of x. So which means we can write 7 raised to the power of 2, then raised to the 5 over 8, which is the value of x. Then this will be 7 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 over 8. So then 2 out of 8, that will be 4. And this will give us 7 raised to the power of 5 over 4. So which means that the left hand side is equals to the what? Is equals to the right hand side. So the value of x which satisfies this equation is 5 over x over 8. I'll see you in the next video. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye bye.